Congratulations on your X Tub purchase, along with the Lux filtration system. This is what success looks like after you're done with your installation. The water is circulating, it's beautiful, you have your filtration system adjacent to it. It's also a nice finish. You have no water leaks or drips. Everything is super nice and tidy. You do not have to install the spa cover with screws, but you can. It's included in the instruction sheet on how to do it. We are so happy and congratulate you on your purchase. Now let's walk you through the unboxing process and installing your tub together. In this video, we're going to review how to install the X Tub paired with the Lux filtration system. As one of the first things you want to do is you want to make sure once you received everything that there's no physical damage to the crate or any of the boxes. So make sure to do a physical walkthrough and ensure that there's no damage. If there's any damage, you want to immediately contact Revex. Make sure to document with pictures and videos, okay? And make sure not to sign for the bill with the delivery company without noting on it that there's damage. You will receive the main crate with the acrylic tub inside and some boxes on top. Most of you will receive 4 or 5 boxes on top that look like this. First step is to remove these boxes off the crate. For this step, you will need 2 people because it's a team lift. You want to make sure to remove all of these metal brackets and screws. Be careful as you do this not to cut yourself on any of the corners. Okay, so be mindful, operate the tools responsibly. Okay, in the next step, you want to remove all of the packaging off. Okay, you guys will find the instruction sheets on top, which is very important. And then when you lift this cover up, you will see that there's additional boxes in here. So you'll want to remove these boxes before you remove the tub. Hey guys, now that the acrylic tub is ready to go, we're going to use the provided suction cups to grab it on each side. This is definitely a team lift. If you have 2 strong people, that is what's highly recommended. We're going to attach the suction cups and we're going to lift it up and place it into the final position. Place your suction cups about 3/4 of the way from the floor. When you place the suction cup against the surface, you will see it's already has a pretty good suction. Then what you want to do is you want to push these levers in. Okay, and this is the handle up. So now we have very good, strong suction. Hey guys, so we just carefully got the tub through this door. It's an older building, so the width is less than 36 inch because of this door jamb. So we just carefully took this off the inside of the door and the tub fit right through. So be careful, we use this foam not to scratch the acrylic tub finish. So do what you have to do in order to move the acrylic tub from the pallet to its final placement. All right, now that everything's in, we're going to follow the instruction sheet. Step 1 is to make sure and unbox all of the items, okay? And spread them around. Make sure that everything is clearly organized and grouped. And we're going to start with step 1. All right, so for step 1, we're going to open up the chiller and we're going to install the chiller wheels onto it. Make sure that the chiller always stays upright like this. This is the top, it says the top on top of it. If at any time this chiller was on its side or in any other way, make sure that it stays upright like this for at least 24 hours before you plug it in. Okay, let's open it and connect the wheels. once you cut the straps off, just lift the top up. And then you will see there's additional packaging. Just place it all inside. Okay. For this step, definitely have 2 people lift the chiller up, and you will need 2 people to install the wheels. Inside the box, there's an instruction manual just for the chiller. Make sure to read it fully and understand how to use it. Additionally, with the chiller, you receive the Wi-Fi module. This is so you can connect your chiller to your Wi-Fi router and to enable the app. Okay, the wheels and the screws come in this box like this. We'll just have to open it. One person will tilt the chiller slightly, and the next person will install the wheels.